Hello YouTube, hello the Silver Forum. I'm just doing a bit of conservation this afternoon. I've got quite a nice gold crown. Typical fogging. There might be a slight scratch above the horse's leg. But typical fogging around the coin. Looks a bit unsightly. The obverse is actually not that bad. A few little specks and a slight bit of fogging close to the rim, but we'll have a look and see what we can do with this one before it goes off for grading. So the coin's gone through the process now. It's a lot better. Not perfect, but you can't make everything perfect. But the frost, the sort of fogging's gone. Yeah, it looks good to me, that. So I hope this does well for grading. There doesn't seem to be any sort of contact marks on the coin. There's still the odd flake, but we are talking microscopic flakes on there now. So big improvement, and we'll see how this grades in a couple of months' time. I'll do some milky maples in a minute, so you guys can see the results on them as well. So thanks for watching, and I will show this to the owner of the coin in a moment. See you soon. Ta-da. I've also got a 1 ounce gold bullion special year Britannia to do. It's got the odd little flake and spot on there, and it is starting to dull a little bit. It's still a great coin for a bullion coin. Good condition. This has come out of a blister, so there's very little contact marks on this coin. This coin will be going in for grading, and I can see it doing quite well. Like I say, it's got the odd little flake and spot on there on a chin and a neck, and on the reverse is tiny little bits of flakes around about 2 and 3 o'clock. So I'll have a look at cleaning those off now and see how it looks. Yeah, so we've got rid of the flakes on this one. It was around about 2 and 3 o'clock, if you remember. Stunning for a bullion coin. And we'll see this one in a few months' time and see what it gets. Onto the maples now. Yeah, these are the maples I'm just going to do for a bit of fun. Typical milky finish on these. It's not the end of the world. They're a bullion coin. The way some people whinge and moan about silver bullion milking, you would think it would it is the end of the world for some people. Don't get me wrong, if you've paid an absolute premium like a 1 ounce silver proof from the Royal Mint for £99.50 and it milks, you've got every right to get a little bit upset, but you can't get away from it. But I will show you that you can actually get rid of it. It's not that hard when you know how. You've got a few different ones there. You can see it, can't you? And the milking, the industry is still divided. What actually causes it? There's a few mints saying it's solvents and residue left over from the annealing process where the metal is hardened and cooled down, and there's solvents left on there, and once it's minted, it actually sort of bleeds out. There is a chemical called boric acid, which comes out as a salt, which is also led to believe that might be the issue. There's also people said that it could be to do with storage in PVC casing. That's not, I think people have gone away from that, but it's definitely leaning towards some kind of chemical in the process of smelting the metal. But you can see it there. I mean, if you own silver, I bet you've got coins that milk. And like I say, it's not that big of a deal on bullion. Again, if it's on a silver-proof coin, especially the raw mints, it can be disastrous because it virtually wipes out all the value of a silver-proof coin. So which one I'm trying to think the worst? Yeah, that one's quite spot. Yeah, we'll go with that one. You can see it with especially around Canada and around about 2 and 1 o'clock. I'll quickly do that one. You can see the results. So this is the same coin back. So it is possible to remove the appearance of milk spotting. That's a fair comparison. But again, like I said, these are only bullion, so it's not like I say, it's not that big of a deal. I'm only doing this for fun. Like I say, not perfect, but if you have got a collection of silver bullion coins and look a bit scabby, it's doable. And like I say, I wouldn't do this to a proof coin, what I've done to it, but it just shows that you can actually remove the appearance. It doesn't look too bad. Bit of fun. I'll see you later. Ta-da.